Hi, my name's Scott Reel, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about vegetable gardening. Hi, let's talk a little bit about raised bed gardening. I've seen a lot of people out there talking about it, and a lot of people seem to think that there's one way to do raised bed gardening, or square foot gardening, as some people might call it. But there's a lot of different ways to utilize the idea of a raised bed and make it work for you. You can see I've gone about it a couple of different ways in my vegetable garden. The first way I've done it is the old-fashioned way, just a mounded raised bed. Now this is the way the Indians in this area used to do it. And it allows you to concentrate your soil amendments, concentrate your water, concentrate your fertilizer into a smaller area. It also allows me to take the downspouts off of my house, channel it into my garden, and allow that water to soak in around here while keeping the roots of the plant up above the water level. This lets the plants deep water, it lets them really stretch for the moisture down in the base, and it makes for a good, healthy plant in the long run. Now the other type of raised bed garden is actual type where you edge the bed. In this case, a raised bed like this with the edging on it contains your soil, lets you work in an area that's a little closer and a little harder up for you. It's a great way for senior citizens to garden or people that might be physically challenged because it moves the plants up towards you. And most importantly, whenever you raise a bed, no matter how you go about soil. So even if you have very, very poor soil in your garden, when you raise that bed, you get to pick what goes into your soil and pick the things that are going to help make your plants more successful, make your garden better for you in the long run.